I love going for a walk on this trail during this time of year. All the new growth, seeing how it interacts with old trees. If anybody has any advice on how to get rid of these, though, I'd be very grateful, because these are invasive garlic mustard and they are everywhere. I know it's not an easy battle, but if I could start, that would be a step in the right direction. Won't lie, one of the main reasons I make this journey, other than the beauty, is for these little guys. These are going to turn into black caps, which are basically just black raspberries, and they are delicious and free